Part 1. Introducing building element. One of the non-load-bearing components that is implemented in the early stages of construction is the flooring at ground level. Due to direct contact with the ground, measures must always be taken to prevent soil moisture from entering the building and the growth of plants under the soil. On the other hand, flooring is done in such a way that the layers of materials transfer the loads in the floor to the soil with the appropriate intensity. The main load-transferring layer in ground flooring is concrete, which is implemented in such a way that no part of it bends and, as a result, does not require reinforcing bars. An expansion joint is built into the floor concrete to prevent the concrete surface from bending. Part 2. Implementing details. The existing soil must be compacted. If the existing soil is not compactable, part of it is replaced with compactable soil. In order to prevent soil moisture from being transferred to higher levels, several layers of crushed stone are used. First, large pieces of stone, then smaller pieces of stone with a thickness of 7 centimeters, and finally a gravel and sand mixture with a minimum thickness of 1 centimeter are poured in the flooring area. The total crushed stone layer is between 25 and 45 centimeters. A nylon sheet or cement sand mortar or lime sand mortar to prevent moisture from transferring upwards and to ensure a smooth surface for the next layer. Due to shrinkage, concrete is always prone to cracking and not bearing load, especially in flooring where the concrete has a large surface. Reducing the thickness of the concrete and creating joints in the concrete is appropriate to reduce the possibility of cracking. In this detail, the parking lot flooring concrete is proposed to consist of 2 layers, 10 and 5 centimeters with a minimum of 300 kilograms of cement. Also, expansion joints are considered at appropriate intervals and the concrete flooring is completely cut off. This joint can be created during construction or after the concrete is poured. The expansion joint, which is 3 centimeters wide, is sealed using a suitable filler. These materials must be flexible. Mastics are the most common materials for filling joints. Part 3. Constituent materials. Part 4. Reference.